Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn birds' names. Peacock, Hornbill, Myna, Turkey, Crane, Pigeon, Sparrow, Duck, Kingfisher, Parrot, Flamingo, Woodpecker, Swan, Pelican, Quail, Swallow, Vulture, Owl, Toucan, Red Canary, Robin, Eagle, Hoopie, Falcon, Ostrich, Cuckoo, Cormorant, Goldfinch, Goose, Partridge, Cock, Crow, Dove, Hen, Penguin, Kiwi, Blue Jay, Plover, Magpie, Cardinal, Oriole, Chickadee, Seagull, Warbler, Heron, Emu, Puffin, Stork, Albatross, Loon, Sandpiper, Lark, Kestrel, Weaver, Flycatcher, Tern, Siskin, Grosbeak, Lapwing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.